Dude! Oh my fucking... What are you... That was fucking close. The fuck?
Don't worry, it's
That sounds great, Mike. I really appreciate it, man. You too, thanks, sir. Alright, bye. This is Martin.
God damn it. God damn it.
Video protected.
What the f, dude? Oh my god!
girl on Tinder was actually his fiance. She made a fake account to test whether he would stay loyal, and when he flirted back, she confronted him. Yes, what my son did was messed up, but creating a whole fake profile to trap your partner, that's manipulation. If you have to run sting operations to trust your fiance, maybe you shouldn't be getting married.
Holy crap!
After learning this, I told my son that I wouldn't be paying.
Just a little shocked, but yeah, I'm okay.
And we wanted to, we did all the things, and he's still here. So that is going to require someone, right? And it may be a bunch of people who are running for president in 2028, or a bunch of people who are on the ballot in individual states in 2026 to provide hope for something better, right? That there's a way out of this. There is something on the other side of this that is not just.
I also think that the way people are getting information about what's happening. No one knows what's going on over there. Sorry, all you blue sky people, but like, guess what?
There are your mentions on
yeah, well, you know what? It's pretty minuscule.
Major escalation of the inflation fight, according to the headline from ABC. Thank you for that. The Federal Reserve enacted a major rate hike yesterday, the latest in a series of borrowing cost increases as the central bank tries to slash near historic inflation.
What are you doing, asshole?
Recession. Now we're going to find out how well we avoided that today.
Christ.
God
damn it!
Even if it's down a second time, that doesn't mean inflation. As we found out, too.
We make a left to go up the street. I want to say we made about half a block. The tree on the other side of the street got hit by lightning, and it is unbelievable because you can't predict it. Like I said, there's lightning going all around. We're not particularly worried about getting struck, but this tree, directly across the street, basically blows in half. And like you said,
What you doing?
the fire and the sparks that shoot off of it,
God
and half
damn
the
it.
tree is just kind of gone.
Pull
The F out. Wait for another flash. Then I would run in. Like we were I think it was on Maple Tree. But so 2 weeks later we go back.
Pull over.
You could see where the root system underneath the and you went, oh man, this was not a joke.
It was a tandem, and then I pushed it instead of pulled it.
Right. Whoa!
Oh. Sorry, did I distract you?
Yeah, that's alright. It's his fault.